I am Cheve, Iver, or Refrea, and I will be discussing today my codes on the practical exam. First off, let us discuss what the problem is. The student is tasked to obtain 5 ages of his or her own family members and find the center value through Matlab. It is worth noting that repeating ages are not permitted by the code. The code should be able to detect whether the number has already been inputted already or not. If the code does not detect that the number inputted has repeated, then it will flash a text stating that the person cannot encode that number anymore. Moreover, the program would continue to make the user encode a different number before proceeding. So for context, I am currently 19 years old. My brother who is filming this is 16 years old. My little sister is 7 years old. My mother is 40 years old, while my father is 48 years old. You can use that ages while using my program or my code. So in total, my code contains 23 lines, which includes proper spacing just to make the code appear organized and neat. First off, line 1 sets up the array. It sets up the 5 ages that will be listed down below. The semicolon at the end signifies that this particular code would be hidden. Next, line 2 contains fprintf, which allows the text to appear. In this case, enter age 1 would appear. Line 3 allows the user to input the first age of 5 different numbers. The colon serves as a breaker so that the appearing codes would look proper. Next, line 5 allows the rest of the 4 numbers to be inputted. For line 6, it is similar to line 2. However, there is a %d which can represent what order you are currently in. So let's say, for example, let us say that you have already inputted 3 different numbers. When you're about to input your 4th number, it would say enter age 4. The %d connects to the I, which is located at line 5. For line 8, is member detects whether person has already inputted a repeating number or not. When it does detect that a number has been replicated, then it would display the text you are not allowed to repeat any number, located in line 9, to warn and inform the person that they are not allowed to repeat any number. Moreover, the program would allow you to enter a different number in order to proceed with the code. This is evident in line 10. However, if the person continues to input the same number over and over again, then the code would also continue to insist the user to input a different number, basically like a loop. Going back to line 8, there is 0, which means false, while 1 is true. This is basic knowledge. This is one of the earliest concepts that were taught in our class. So for line 16 to 18, this portion is just basically displaying the 5 numbers you have inputted before on the screen. These numbers that the user has inputted is required to be displayed since it is also a requirement for the practical exam. Proceeding, so for line 20, sorted array arranges the numbers to be displayed in the order in which you have typed them. So for example, let us say that the numbers you have inputted are 23, 18, 54, 49, and 36, in that order alone. Sorted array would display 23, 18, 54, 49, and 36 in the same order as well in the column position if you decided to input these numbers on the code. Next, in line 21, center element takes the middle value of the 5 numbers that the user has inputted. So this is represented by the formula seen in line 21, in which it uses the values found on sorted array to identify the middle value. Once done, the program will display output, and the text, the center value is plus the number obtained from the center element. So that is basically the flow of the code. I hope you appreciate and learn from my explanation. So thank you very much.